How our power stations work. Basically, we are having four types of power stations: coal power station, hydroelectric power station, combined cycle power station, wind power station. In this video, we will discuss how a coal power station works. A coal power station consists of 17 components. Let us discuss the functioning of each component in detail. Crusher. Coal is transported by truck from a mine site to a crusher, where it is broken into smaller pieces about 15 centimeters in diameter. Coal conveyor. The crushed coal is transported into the power plant on a coal conveyor. Coal bunker. The coal is collected in a large container called a coal bunker. Pulverizer. The coal is pulverized into superfine particles like talcum powder. Large plants blow the fine coal powder into the boiler. Boiler. The fine coal is burned in the large fireball in the boiler, which heats the water in the boiler tubes, producing high pressure steam. Turbine. The high pressure steam provides the energy to rotate the turbine, which turns the turbine shaft. Generator. The rotation of the turbine shaft drives the rotation of the generator. The generator produces electricity. Transformer. The electricity is sent through a transformer, which steps up the voltage and moves it out to the electrical grid. Electrical grid. The electricity is transmitted along a series of wires for ultimate delivery to customers. Pond water. During the process of cooling the spent steam back into water to be resent through the boiler, some of the cooling water that is sent to the condenser and cooling tower is lost due to evaporation in the cooling tower. The makeup pond water represents this lost water. Cooling tower. After the spent steam is routed through the condenser, the resulting warm cooling water is passed through the cooling tower to be cooled down further before it is recirculated to the condenser for reuse in the boiler. Condenser. Cooling water is circulated through the condenser to cool the steam in steam pipes that are exiting the turbine back into boiler feed water, which is recirculated through the boiler to become steam again. Stack. Exhaust gas is vented through a stack, which is similar to a chimney. Flue gas. Gas that is created in the combustion process and released through a chimney or stack. Fly ash recovery. After the superfine coal powder is burnt, it exits the boiler as fly ash. Fly ash is used as an additive to concrete and as a road-based stabilizer. Reservoir. For power plants without a cooling tower, the cooling water is retained to a reservoir to be cooled. Pump house. A pump house draws water back in from the reservoir and pumps it to the condenser to continue the process all over again. So this is how the coal power station works. Thank you.